Hi, I'm Tim. I'm a licensed loan officer, and today we're going to talk about moving to Hazel Park. And I'm going to give you a little virtual tour. We're just going to kind of drive around. Now, I would ride my bike, but it's a little chilly out here. So let's just kind of give you a virtual tour if you're interested in Hazel Park. We'll talk about it. I'll show you some things, um, give you the pros and cons, and let you know all about this city. I've been here almost 4 years now. So I know a lot, and I can tell you everything you need to know. And I plan to do more of these in different cities around Michigan. So let's just flip this camera around and let me show you around, okay? All right, let's go. So right now we're at 9 Mile and John R. So we're at 9 Mile and John R. And this is the intersection. Now this intersection can get a little busy, but normally it's not. It just depends on 75. So 75 is over here. That's a real popular highway that could take you pretty much wherever you want to go. You want to go downtown or towards Flint or Ann Arbor. That's a great time. So you have a CVS here. And Hazel Park is kind of an up and coming city. It's a lot of manufacture, and I'll show you that in a little bit. Okay, so we're at 9 Mile and John R. John R is one of the primary roads in Hazel Park. We have a Subway, McDonald's over there, and they're the local Kroger's, a McDonald's, a Hardee's. Here's the courthouse right here. Right here at the post office, Hardee's. And this is just John R here. And let's keep going here. And here's House of Shamrock right here. This is kind of a local Irish plug. Decent food. Okay. So we're just going down here. And this is kind of Hazel Park downtown a little bit here. Hazel Park doesn't really have a downtown. But we're very close to Royal Oak. They have a really nice downtown, and Ferndale. Both of those areas are a little more pricey, a little more expensive. And then here we have, I think it's called Joe Bar. This is a nice little restaurant here with the bar there. All right. Then we have Ace Hardware, still on John R here. And this is a nice deli spot. It's real popular in Hazel Park. It has a pretty good beef sandwich, ice creams, things like that. We're driving here. So this is just John R for you. This is what it is. It's not a lot of traffic. Pretty peaceful here. We're actually heading north. And then right there, that's a marijuana shop called Breeze there. Here's another marijuana shop called Rush. They're popping up everywhere. Here's another food center. And now we're just going to go down a street here and look at some homes here. So this is a kind of nice home, Hazel Park, a newer built. Here's another new construction here. This is a nice home here. That's a new construction. They've been building a lot of new homes here, as you can see. As you see, there's not a lot of foot traffic. It could be cold, but generally speaking, there's not a lot of people walking. I haven't had any break-ins or anything like that. Here's an empty lot here, a few empty lots here and there. But this is a typical street in Hazel Park. These are how the homes look. Yep, there's another home there. Let's just keep going. We're just going to keep going. All right, here's some more new construction home built. So Hazel Park, like I said, their primary industry is manufacture, and I'm going to show you some more manufactured jobs and industry there. It's kind of a blue-collar city a little bit, kind of a hard-working city. I like it because it's not no keeping up with the Jones here and things like that. So over here is an Amazon Center. So they have an Amazon Center over here. They are hiring sometimes. Here's a little park over here. Here's another little park here. It's pretty much a typical day in Hazel Park. It's this nice, quiet city, peaceful. And we'll talk some of the pros. So some of the pros of living in Hazel Park is number one, it's affordable. when you look at other cities like surrounding, like Madison Heights, Royal Oak, Ferndale, Warren, they're a little bit more expensive. Um, so affordability is one. Another one would be location. So we're right in the heart of Metro Detroit. So you're about 10 minutes from downtown if you jump on 75. So downtown is really nice. You have Belle Isle, you have the casinos, you have restaurants, you have shows, sports, whatever you're looking for downtown, you can find. So you're 10 minutes from downtown. And then, so the location's great. And then you got two highways right near us. So we have 75 near us. And then you have 696. So those two highways could take you, wherever you're looking to go. It's very easy to get on the highway. And I think the last pro of Hazel Park is that it's just a nice up and coming area, and the values are going up. And in my opinion, is safe. I know some people look at stats and things like that, but I've had no issues with safety. So we could talk about the cons of Hazel Park. So some of the cons of Hazel Park is that it's kind of blue collar. So some people want to be a little bit more uppity area. So if you're looking for a little bit more uppity area, Hazel Park. Are you looking for more entertainment? Royal Oak. You're looking for more like a downtown, a little bit more bars. It really depends on your lifestyle. Looking for maybe a real good sewer district. I'm not sure about the sewer districts here. Here's another new built here, another new construction here. Really nice home. So entertainment wise, I say a con. It doesn't have a lot of entertainment. Another con would be restaurants. Hazel Park really doesn't have a lot of restaurants, so maybe that's a con. And also, some homes in Hazel Park do not look really nice. Like, some homes do look like they need a little bit of work. So those are some of the cons there. So now I'm going to quickly show you 9 Mile and Dequindre, and then we'll just go ahead and wrap this video up. So here's another little restaurant, and then a laundromat here, if you can see that. And then another marijuana shop. There's just it's too many of them. And then over here, there's a juice bar and a Hungry Howie's, and then a liquor store here. So we'll go down 9 Mile. 9 Mile is a very popular road, and then we'll look at Dequindre. And as you see, there's just a lot of little businesses here on 9 Mile. It's a lot of businesses. And as you can see, a lot of these businesses, you really don't even know what they do. They're just businesses on the right or left. They're just buildings and they're businesses there. But as you see, it's not a lot of traffic. It's pretty quiet. Not too much going on. It's kind of a real peaceful area in my opinion. There's like a car place. They're selling cars. This place has like those burgers where they put on onions. Those burgers they put on onions. Okay, and now here we're on Dequindre. This is Dequindre here. This is where you're going to see a lot of the manufacturers, a lot of the blue collar, jobs and things like that here. So this is Dequindre. This road's a little bit busier. People like Dequindre. Now, I have to say this too. East side, this is Warren. This is east side. This is Warren. This side is Hazel Park. So here's another dealership here. And a lot of auto mechanic shops, all kinds of stuff. Printing. Here's another dealership. Just a lot of businesses, a lot of car stuff related over here. Construction, body shops, marble cabinets. Here's a car wash. But remember, this is Warren over here. That's Warren. This is Hazel Park. Another liquor store here. And one thing to note, the closer you get to 8 Mile, I don't really want to be too close to 8 Miles. I love Detroit, but if I'm going to be by 8 Mile, I'll just live in Detroit. But I'll show you that too. So here we got some more places. We got a car insurance, Secretary of State. We'll go down this road here. This is 8 Miles right over here. Here's some more homes here. What I do like is that it's easy to ride your bike, easy to jog, because it's just not a lot of traffic. So if you like to ride your bike or go, and there are a lot of nice little parks and fields. I'll show you one more here. Here's another field. So I like these parks where I'll fly my drone and things like that. You know, I'll fly my drone and stuff like that. So yeah, this is Hazel Park. I mean, it's pretty clean. I don't see any trash very much. So this is pretty much that's Henry Ford. I'm not sure what's that middle school, high school. I'm not sure. But this is basically Hazel Park. I think this used to be a church, or one of these is a church over here. Kind of a weird place for a church. So I like that there's parks everywhere. So if you have kids, this could be a good place for you. So here's another park here. You know, I visit all these parks, you know, with my 1-year-old son. You know, someone's walking their dog. There's over more people out here walking dogs. But it's a little chilly here in Michigan. It's March 2023. But this could give you a real good feel, you know, if you're considering Hazel Park, and get a real good idea. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a couple of new constructions over there. Let me see if I can zoom in here. There we go. Oh, there we go. So there's 2 new homes there. That's 1, 2. There are 2 new homes there. So we'll back that out. All right, so this video is getting way too long. All right, I'm going to have to let you guys go. But comment below if you have questions about Hazel Park, if you're considering buying here. There are a lot of renters here too, because it's just affordable. You know, it's up and coming, and I mean, if you want to live in Royal Oak and some of these hot areas, you know, Ferndale, but you don't like the prices, come here to Hazel Park, and you're 5 minutes away. You're like an Uber drive away. So you can basically get the best of both worlds. Thanks so much. I'll see you again next video.